Welcome back, fellow investors. Today, I'm thrilled to dive into why the Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF is the powerhouse of my dividend portfolio, standing at 21% off my portfolio. Imagine an investment that combines the stability of the Nordic economies with the reliability of high dividend yields. That's precisely what this ETF offers. This ETF provides exposure to 45 meticulously selected Nordic companies, each renowned for consistent dividends and low stock volatility. Let's talk performance. Over the past year, Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF has delivered a remarkable return of 13.37%, outpacing many peers in the dividend-focused ETF space. Now, let's delve into the dividend history, a key attraction for income-focused investors. This ETF has demonstrated a consistent upward trajectory in its dividend payouts. It paid in 2018 45 cents, 2019 50 cents, 2020 47 cents, 2021 48 cents, 2022 59 cents, 2023 60 cents, 2024 62 cents. Such consistency not only provides a reliable income stream but also reflects the robust health of the underlying companies. Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF selection methodology is a blend of precision and prudence. Twice annually, it evaluates the most liquid Nordic companies, emphasizing those with high dividend yields and low historical volatility. This meticulous approach ensures the inclusion of companies that offer both stability and attractive returns. Sector diversification is another strength. The ETF's holdings span various sectors, with significant allocations in financial services, industrials, and basic materials. This diversification mitigates sector-specific risks and enhances portfolio stability. Moreover, Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF aligns with sustainable investment principles. It excludes companies involved in controversial industries such as fossil fuels, tobacco, and weapons, ensuring that your investments contribute to a more responsible and ethical market landscape. With an annual management fee of just 0.30%, Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF is not only performance efficient but also cost-effective, allowing you to retain more of your hard-earned returns. Incorporating Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF into your portfolio means embracing a strategy that prioritizes steady income, reduced volatility, and ethical investment, all anchored in the robust Nordic economies. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of Xact Nordic High Dividend Low Volatility ETF. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more investment content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing!